Hey everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. In this guide, we'll show you how to replace page in PDF using Tenorshare PDNob in just a few clicks. Tenorshare PDNob is a powerful all-in-one PDF solution designed to help you edit, convert, and manage your PDF documents effortlessly. One of its many useful features is the ability to replace pages within a PDF, a handy tool when you need to update outdated content, correct errors, or swap out sections without recreating the document from scratch. With just a few clicks, you can seamlessly replace specific pages with new ones, either from the same file or from a completely different PDF. The process is quick and gives you full control over your document. Now let's see how easy it is to replace pages in a PDF document. After downloading and installing the software, launch it, and you will arrive at this interface. Click on Open PDF and use Windows File Explorer to locate the PDF file you want to work on. As you can see, there are plenty of tools and controls available for editing your PDF documents, but we won't be covering all of them in this tutorial. For this demonstration, I will head over to the Page tab and locate the Replace option. This will open the Replace submenu. On the left side, you will select the page or page range from the original document that you want to replace. On the right side, you will import and specify the pages that will replace the original ones. Click on Select File, then use Windows Explorer to locate the new PDF document. A mini preview of the pages from the new document will appear. Now, specify which pages will be used as replacements for the selected pages in the original document. If everything looks good, click on Replace, and almost instantly, the old pages will be swapped with the new ones, as you can see here. To save your changes, go to the top left corner of the interface and click the Save button to store the updated file on your computer. And that's how you use Tenorshare PDNob to replace pages in any PDF document. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.